The previous episode is that we enabled our Godot for us to prototype in mobile for our game. And now we are to make the mobile controls for our mobile game. Since we made the controls for the PC, mouse, and keyboard. And so going back to our Godot, to our game, if you play, of course we can control the game in the PC, correct? We can even control it. However, if we debug with our phone, wait a little bit to boot. Okay. And in our phone is that we are able to move only for the look movement. There are there is no movement to move for the joystick. And you might be asking how are we able to move the look for the look movement in mobile? Now, if we go to our player script, it's because of the virtual function of Godot input function. So this function listens for any event, again, for any event from either be it a mouse, keyboard, controller, or even the touch screen. So this function, input function, is a very handy tool for me, for us, I guess. So it listens for gestures and for events for any controllers. That is why we are able to utilize this script or this code for the mouse input that is used for looking to the for any direction, and it is used for also it is also used for our input in the mobile. So this is function is a very handy tool. And now we are to create for the joystick. And there's also, so you navigate to the asset library, and there's this package called Joystick, Virtual Joystick for Godot 4. And let's download that one. Yep, install. And okay. And then navigate to the 2D to your player, and then Control A or create another node for the control. And inside the control node, we want to instantiate from the package the test scene. See, we now have this. And let's make it local. Let's delete this one because we already have our 3D player. Also delete the right joystick because we've already implemented for the looking system with the input function. And now we only have this one. Okay, wait, about this. Mm. Anyways, okay. So navigate to the virtual joystick script, and you are and there's already an already made script, and all we have to do is to change the variables. So you can see UI left, UI right, UI up, and UI down. Navigate to that part here. As you can remember, we've already made our movement for the forward, backward, left, right, and jump. And we have to fix that one. Replace this UI left for the um, variable we made. And this is right. Bro, what? This is forward. This is also backward. Okay. So you can see it also changed the variables and the values here. And let's go back to the 3D. Let's check if it works. Oops. Wait. Let's check in the PC first if it works. But first, let's disable a few things here. So we want to disable this one. Pass. Also go to the project settings. The input map. Is it input? I think it's in the ren debug. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's in the project settings and then go to the pointing. This should be enabled. Control save. And we now have our uh, mouse. And if we... Whoa, what the? I can't move. What's wrong with this one? Doesn't work for the PC. Let's try for the mobile. Okay. Oh, oh, it works. It works for the mobile. Oh, something's wrong. But as for the mobile, it's only working. Uh, the 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 movement for horizontal does not work. However, the movement for vertical works and the joystick works. Hmm. Maybe, perhaps. I think it's because in this one, go to the 3D, I mean the 2D. Let's Control Z, leave it like that, maybe, and then go to the player. Something's wrong with here. I'm going to play this one. It doesn't work. I can emulate project settings again. Emulate mouse from touch, emulate touch from mouse. Maybe I also need this one. Play. Oh yeah. So it now works. As for the PC, we can move the mouse, I mean the joystick. However, and it can move horizontally and vertically. Now let's try the um phone. Poco. It should be working right now. Okay. Oh, oh. Hmm. Something's wrong. But we can move the mouse, I mean the joystick. And it's overlapping. So the left side should not should only be used for joystick, and the right side should only be used for moving, so they should not overlap. Let's fix this. Whoa, what the? Hey, yo. Okay, so something's clearly wrong with my mobile. Wait, let me let me run again. Okay, 10 minutes has passed. Mhm. should be set to false. Oh, it works. What happened? So, just recently, I was only able to move vertically but not horizontally. But now, when I rerun the game, I'm now able to move freely for the look while moving my um moving my joystick. Oh, yeah, I am right. So the movement for the look and the joysticks are overlapping. See? I am now unable to move vertically. But if I move uh it's because I touched the joystick. Oh, I should fix this one. So, my hypothesis is that it's because of the joystick. If I run the game and touch the right side, it's working fine, but if once I touch the joystick, I'm now stuck with this one. So I should fix this overlap between the look movement and the joystick movement. But that is another story. I mean, that is another episode. I mean, oh, and if I hold, mm, I can't. So, anyways, I was unable to move. Look, I was unable. I was able to to move with the joystick, and I was able to move with the look movement. So let's check this one, and let's move on to debugging, and that is to fix. Um, no, that is to fix the, let's say, move and then look, because they are overlapping. So that would be it for this current episode, and nice.